चच्चा है चच्चा है चच्चा, हम तेरा चच्चा है चच्चा है चच्चा.
Here I am to share with you something related to GFG website. This is a very famous website, and some of you must be knowing it, and many of you must be knowing it in fact. And if you are not aware about it, so let's go and explore the website. And I will be telling you like how you can prepare through this website, like which are the section that is very useful for you all. So as soon as you open that geeksforgeeks.org portal, so this is a page that gets open. So you can go to the courses section. As soon as you go to the courses section, you will see that some of their live courses, self-placed courses that you can learn at your own pace, and some of these cool courses you will get it. So here is a section that is a problem section. In this problem section, this is the a very nice section here. Problems are organized in a very appropriate manner. See, if you are having your interview for your Microsoft, and if you want to prepare for Microsoft interview, then you can get the questions that have already asked previously in the Microsoft company. If you want to practice some of the questions for either of the Google, Flipkart, Adobe, you can go for it. If you want to start solving the question, and if you are really new to coding, then you can start from your school level, and you can go to your basic level and easy level. So what happens that this becomes very easy to filter the question according to the problem type, according to your difficulty level, and according to the company also. And in fact, you can do it according to the topic wise also. Suppose you want to practice questions of array, so you can click on array, so you'll get some questions of array. So according to that, you can see here it's showing that what is the difficulty level of the question, the rate of submission, what is the accuracy. So these are the things. So now let's go to one more section, like this is program of the day section. In this section you will get one program daily, and you have to solve it within 24-hour time span. See, every day you will get one program to solve it. This will also brush up your coding skills. You will learn different concepts also, and apart from that, you will be eligible for some of the very exciting goodies. Like suppose if you solve questions for continuously 8 days, and if you have 50 geeks point, then you are eligible for this GFG merchandise also, your GFG courses, Amazon voucher, and for premium subscription also. So you can these are the instructions that how you can earn the geek points, and in which language you can solve it, and you will get fully 1 day to solve one question. So you have to solve it within that time span, and you will be eligible for that. See, one more thing, it's event section. So as soon as you open your event section, see, you will be seeing lots of workshop, webinars, and events that are going on, and it's continuously going on in the GFG website. You can also prepare for your mock interviews also, and they have their interview series as well for many companies. See, they have live mock interview for DSA series, and see the cost, it's 0. So I think this is the best thing you'll ever get in a no amount, I should rather say. So you can just go and enroll yourself and practice a lot, because I'm sure this is going to help you. And one more thing, you have studied, you have learned, and they also have a wonderful thing that you can get a job as well. See, they have a get hired section in their portal. See, here they have there are different opportunities that are opened in the different company for the different position. Everything is mentioned, that what will be the location, what will be your position, like for full stack developer, and how much experience they want. So you can apply for job as well. So you are getting everything in one place. You can also solve the problems, you can solve the questions, you can prepare for your mock interview. So I think this is the best site. You can get everything at a one place, and you don't have to waste your time searching for the questions, searching for their previous year. They have everything, every questions feeded for almost every company. See, they have like Snapdeal, Paytm, Qualcomm, every company. So go and sign in, start practicing, because this is really going to help you. So this is all about today, and thank you so much everyone.